American house designs are not just about visual appeal. They represent a perfect balance of smart planning, comfort, and functionality. In this video, we explore American home designs from basic concepts to advanced architectural principles, starting with floor plans that are mostly based on open layouts where the living room, dining area, and kitchen are connected to create a spacious environment with better natural light and ventilation. Bedroom planning plays a key role, with master bedrooms commonly featuring attached bathrooms and walk-in closets, while guest rooms are designed with simplicity and comfort in mind. Another important element is the garage, which in most American homes is attached to the main structure for convenience and safety. From an architectural perspective, modern, traditional, and contemporary styles are widely used in the USA, where modern homes focus on clean lines and large glass windows, while traditional designs feature sloped roofs and classic materials. Additionally, construction materials such as wood framing, strong concrete foundations, and advanced insulation systems make these houses energy efficient and durable. Finally, exterior design elements like front porches, backyards, and landscaping complete the overall look and reflect the American lifestyle, making this video a complete guide to understanding American house designs.